Let's see how we can find an orthogonal basis to a certain vector space. So let's consider V, which is the span of three vectors, 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, -1, and 3, 4, 5. So we'll first put those vectors into a matrix and row reduce. Notice the first two columns are our pivot columns. That means that we can reduce this to a basis of just the first two vectors. Now we'll set v1 equal to the first vector, and then we'll replace v2 with, well, the original vector minus the projection of that original vector onto our first vector, which has this complicated setup right here. So that gives us this vector over here, which with a bunch of 7s in the denominator, but we can scale that to 4, 1, -2. And thus now we've got a basis of orthogonal vectors. If you wanted to go further and find a basis of orthonormal vectors, you could simply turn these into unit vectors by multiplying by the reciprocal of their length.